So I'm super excited to talk about the Essex because along with the new Air, it got a full lifestyle change. So that means the graphics changed, the front and the rear caps changed. Everything on the inside is kind of new and different. So it's very exciting. We have 5 floor plans for the Essex. We're gonna go through the 4551 today. They've also added the 4545. It gives you that rear closet or rear bunk room. And you also have the 4540, which is a bunk option or office option. That's fairly new. I think that was just available last year for the first year. Now, a couple things that you get new this year. So you also have the entrance door camera. So if someone comes to your door, you can see it on your 360 camera from inside. It's going to record. So that's just a huge safety feature. You're going to get that 175-gallon fuel tank. That's standard on the Freightliner custom chassis. You're also going to have the memory seats. And then a huge feature that I absolutely love because I'm always cold, my husband's always hot. We have the dual HVAC system. So co-pilot and pilot get to control their own air in the front of the coach. Huge, that's a game changer for me. This is the beautiful exterior for the traditional graphics. This is the champagne color. You can also get 3 other standard colors for traditional and then 4 colors for contemporary, or you can go with the artisan and have a one-of-one exterior color and graphics. All right, we have the exterior freezer. You can make that refrigerator or freezer on the pull-out tray, so it's easy to get into that. Then the shelf above, which I love. We also have the shelf above on these next 2 areas. Again, that gives you that usable space that would hit the chassis rail. And then you've got your pull-out trays. These can be manual or powered. Exterior TV with your sound bar. It's mounted up high. It's gonna pull out and tilt. Now, one of the other things that you get option is the RGB lighting underneath the coach and underneath the slides. You can change the colors. It's a lot of fun. So that's another great option for 2027. Then we have our half pull-out tray here. So you can get to everything in the back. You also have your central vac filter, our emergency egress door, def tank, chassis batteries and battery disconnects. As I come around the back, make sure you look at that beautiful graphics package on your traditional paint. We've got the spoiler up top, the high brake light, our engine compartment, 20,000-pound hitch. We've got the airline for our tow vehicle, the 7-way, our exhaust, side radiator, def fill for the driver's side of the coach, storage for your stinky slinky. Then we have our wet bay compartment, stainless steel back, manifold system so you can cut off certain areas of the coach, your water filter, SantaCon system, it's all in there. Our 50 amp shore power cord with the RV surge guard protector, your cable input, Oasis hydronic heating system for your furnace and your hot water. You have the optional power washer and deionized water. That's great. Again, pair that with ceramic coating from Bob Moses, offered through National Indoor RV Centers. New offering for our customers. Amazing product. I'm telling you, with the ceramic coating and then with your power washer, you're literally going to get to the campground, rinse off your coach, and you're going to be good to go. It's going to be sparkling and look as good as new. It's amazing. Pass-through tray, lithium batteries and inverters. So new for 2027, they've given us the chrome on the stairs with the Newmar kind of badging in that. And I just think that's lovely. Welcome to the beautiful interior of the traditional Essex. So everything is all new. This is the Barrington interior package, so you get the nice dark brown chocolate leather. We've got the chestnut high gloss cabinets. You'll notice that the cabinets are changed for the traditional cabinets. No more roping. Now we've got the raised panel door. We've got new handles. Like I said, everything's new. The fascia, how about the ceiling treatment? Beautiful. And then my favorite, probably my favorite part of the new Essex for 2027 are these floors. I mean, are those gorgeous or what? Absolutely stunning. in a herringbone pattern. Like, probably one of my favorite things of the show is I just think those are really beautiful. Then we've optioned in the theater seating here. So along with that theater seating, you're gonna get the footrest. And boy, you know, it's getting late. I'm getting tired. These chairs are feeling better and better. How long can I, you know, display these or show these off? Because this feels really good to sit down. So you've got the two controls here, and then you've got the one little circle control that just takes everything back to the standard position. You've got the solid surface here, your cup holders, all that storage inside here with that little extra drawer. Love that. And look at the beautiful stitching that they put on the Essex furniture. So that's just all new. Furniture is by Villa. Then we have great storage above. And across from it, we're gonna have our love seat or sofa that's gonna make into a bed. Again, I'll show you that when we do our full length video. More storage, sound bar, and in the Essex, you get the upgraded sound system. I mean, it sounds absolutely phenomenal. I'll try to show you if I can, but really you just need to come out to National Indoor RV Centers and experience for yourself in person. It's really phenomenal. You also have the big 50-inch TV, and one of the selling points for the Essex are these massive windows. Now, we're in a convention center, so you're not going to get the full effect of the windows, but I love what they did this year. You see how they encased them in like the wood? I just think that looks really nice. Finish it off really nice. I can't say enough about how pretty I think this coach is. Now here is a feature that I've kind of left it this way on purpose. So this is your booth, but this is the powered extend booth. So this way you can see exactly what it looks like if I were to take both sides out. I've taken this side out. It's powered. It's so easy. I love the feature. You can easily get 6 people to dinner. Or 6 people for drinks, whatever you'd like. But I really like this. And when the powered bench is in, this is the only thing that you have to find a storage spot for. So not very big. You've got one on either side. But I do love this feature. I'll show you real quickly how this works just because I've got it here and I like people to be able to see this and how easy it is. It's as easy as that. You don't have to break your back. Put the cushion in place and truly seating for 6 people, comfortable with the little arm room too. And then I love the leg. I mean, that table's solid. Not going to go anywhere with those 2 leaves in it. And you've got nice storage all the way across. No divider in there. And I like the new accent wall on the back of that booth. Now to the beautiful kitchen. Again, look at the beautiful raised panel doors. It looks so nice. And they've even put it on the dishwasher here. So everything just like it flows together. So got nice big drawers here with the little drawer in drawer. Love that. Dishwasher, utensil drawer, all the dividers there. Pull-out drawer for your trash can. You've got a space for your sink covers or for your stove covers here. And you can pull out that. Again, everything's just going to be top-notch. You've got the dovetail drawers. Everything's soft close. They give you access to every little compartment that they can. So this is a great little spice drawer. That's what I love that for. And then you've got your flip down here. Check out this beautiful big sink by Blanco. And I love the beautiful residential faucets. Now, another thing, okay, you're gonna hear I love a lot, but check out the backsplash because it's new, it's different, and it's really pretty. Love the new backsplash. The window is encased in that wood. It just finishes it off so nicely. And then we have adjustable shelves here. Pull out shelf here. Again, Starlink comes standard. You can also upgrade to the Gen 3, or you can do the prep for the Gen 3 if you're not sure. So lots of options. Bosch appliances here. So you've got your convection microwave oven and air fryer. Another little spice spot. 2 more adjustable shelves. And then check out all that counter space. And we've got the recessed induction stovetop. So 3 burner there. Get the Bosch refrigerator and freezer. You have water and ice in the door. I know everyone loves that ice in the door. I do. I do too. And then look how beautiful that refrigerator is. And for those of you that don't know what this is in the middle here, that is the lock. So now that's not going to come open when you're traveling. If you're new to RVing, this whole thing is new to you, go check out my RVing 101 series. From start to finish, we plan a trip, we go on a trip, we pack, we unpack, we hook up, we unhook. So really helpful if you're brand new to this lifestyle and just, you know, doing your research. Go check that out. Then we have our pantry space, again with the locking shelves, pull out, backlit with lighting in here. You can option in the wine fridge. It will hold 6 bottles of wine. And then another little shelf there and all that great space here. Control panel for the coach. I'll go over that in detail in my full length video. Thermistor. And then we've got our half bath door. It's on a pivot door so you can easily get in when your slides are in. And again, love this bathroom because look, I see the backsplash when I first walk in. It's so pretty. Then we have our breakers and our fuses. Window that opens in the bathroom, so that's always nice. Medicine cabinet. I love this new vessel sink that they're using, the white. It's so pretty. And then all this counter space. Storage. We have our dustpan for our central vac. So you just lift that up, sweep everything over there, and it will take it away. Toilet paper holder here. Storage. Central vac hose connection here. Nice drawer. And the push button controls for the toilet. So the master bedroom is just elegant. Again, traditional. Look at your ceiling treatment. Love, love, love the headboard. Beautiful windows on either side of the bed. And then we've got storage above. We have a control panel underneath the cabinets. I'll, again, do that in my full length. And we have storage below the bed. So this is a great place for you to put your extra leaves, your extra from the dinette table, and those extra cushions. And then across from the bed, more great storage. So our beautiful bedroom TV, we've got our sound bar right behind it. This beautiful like console area and our emergency egress window, nice big window. And then check out all those drawers. One of the things that the 4551 is known and loved for is this bathroom, because look at this massive shower. Remember, we're in an RV, guys. This looks like a shower in a beautiful luxury home. So we've got the spots here for towel holder, towel holder, towel holder. Walk into that shower. It's massive. You've got the flip down seat. You've got the fixed shower head and the handheld, the AquaView shower miser. You've got your soap dispensers. And I just love the tiles that they use. The backsplash tile is so elegant on the wall. Different tile on the floor. Everything blends really nicely with everything else in the coach. And then we have our washer and dryer. Little drawer here below. We can put our washing pods, our dryer sheets. We step into the vanity area here. So beautiful. We've got the vessel sinks. I think those are lovely with the residential faucets and the towel holder. Beautiful mirrors and our little light sconce here. You actually have access here to the back of the washing machine and dryer. And then you've got a medicine cabinet on this side. Flip down, and then check out those drawers. And all that storage. Then we come to the commode area here. So again, new feature for 2027, you can get a bidet toilet. So I love that feature. If you're not sure if you want it, you can just do the bidet prep or the optional bidet toilet. So love that. We've got that feature here. Emergency egress door, buttons for your toilet paper holder, and then we've got our closet. So we've got our wardrobe area here. Then we have a pull-out shoe storage compartment and drawer. Another drawer. And then we've got the cedar-lined closet, our safe, and adjustable shelves with our wardrobe.